Okay, you guys, this is the last and final day. This excursion was also one where we had to get picked up at a drop-off location, so this is just us headed there. It was like 3 in 1 places where we were gonna go, so I'll tell y'all about it. But this first stop is just like a neighborhood, just of a regular normal family of what it would typically look like. This is inside the house, inside the main area. That's where they would typically cook and stuff. And the women would always be in the houses, like working, cooking, cleaning, and teaching the daughters that. In this room is where they would make the jewelry and teach the younger girls how to do that as well. And I love seeing that because they're very decked out and just bling bling, and I'm like that too because I love my rings and my hoops, and I'm like, oh, okay, y'all really paved the way, okay. But this is back in the common area where, like I said, they were cooking and stuff, and I kept hitting my head, y'all, because the doors and the door frames were low. I hit my head like twice. I'm like, oh my gosh. Also, the tour guide had told us, yeah, it's going to be like a 10-minute walk, you guys, and making sure everybody was prepared for that. It was so hot this day, like at least 112 degrees. Girl, it's throbbing. I hit it so hard. It's cute. No, we had to go and snap it up a little bit, and I was feeling bad about what I wore because I felt like it was kind of revealing. But this girl right here with these cheeks out, girl, okay, I'm like, yeah, I'm good. Yeah, I can't remember, I think they was from Germany, but they were a cool crew. Like, it was them was the daughters, and they were with their parents and stuff. And this is just us on top of the roof, and I had to snap it up again. And this is on our way to the Gold Souk and the market area. And I'm just recording us walking there. This was also a good look. This is where it was a 10-minute walk. This is a 10-minute walk. It was a lot of walking this day, period. Okay, and this is just another chapel area. That's our tour guide right there in the navy bluish gray. This is us walking to a different area to go across the river. We had to take a boat, which it was a cool little breeze, so that was a good way for us to like kind of cool off and take pictures. We had to he snapped it up for everybody, so he had to snap us. That's my girl Paige. I'm telling you, that's my girl. And we're gonna go to dinner after this, me and her, but of course we go back to the hotel to change and everything. But this is just the bigger boats that we were surrounded by. This is us at the Gold Souk. I got a lot of souvenirs and Pandora charms and just everything from down here. It was really, really cool just to see all that. This is us headed to the restaurant. This is across the street from it. I'm like looking at it and I see all the flowers. I'm like, oh my gosh, I love it already. So this is me walking in. My friend had found this place. I don't know how, but I'm so glad she did because yeah, it was such a good way to end the trip and celebrate my birthday and just all the roses and everything. I loved it.
So all those flowers, yeah, I knew you'd want to come.
I literally just crazy. She already knew I would love it, and she had just met me. But we got some tea. I also got a drink. That drink was amazing, and it actually was a cocktail. That's just the menu, and they have performers come out. Oh my gosh, it was such a vibe. They were like, "This is for your birthday," because it really was just us in the restaurant. But here, I love it.
Oh yes, keep it right there. Yes. I love.
Okay, and this is what I ordered for my entree. Oh my gosh, it was amazing. It was the fresh caught lobster with some type of cheese sauce mixture on the top, garlic whipped mashed potatoes, and seasoned veggies. Amazing. I can't remember if this is a Turkish restaurant or a Greek style restaurant. Either way, those plates on the end, they give you those to throw at the end of your meal, so that was really cool. But yeah, this was just cool to see them perform. But after my food came, I was like, okay, y'all can sit down now because I'm trying to tear it up. Paige and I snapping it up before we get ready to leave and head to the Fountain Show. The Fountain Show is shown at the mall, and they only show it during certain times. And you never know what song is gonna play. You never know like what type of show it's gonna be. So it was really gonna be a surprise for both of us. But I love what they did. It was just amazing. So y'all stay tuned for that. Okay, and this is us headed to the Fountain Show. I was trying to get those lights that were showing in the palm trees. I don't know if y'all can see that or not, but this is us pulling up at the mall where my phone was dead, so I couldn't record it for you guys. This is just the outside of it. Y'all see all that traffic? I'm just like, why is everybody here? Can y'all not see this anytime? Y'all live here. But this was gonna be the last show of the day, so I guess a lot of people wanted to see it. And then this is the Burj Khalifa. They also light it up at the same time that they're doing the show, so you get to see a more close-up view of that. And then this is just before, and you know, recording, everybody's trying to see everything, but I was taller than almost everybody, so it's like it was no problem for me.
That is all I'm taking with me. So goodbye, please don't. We both know I'm not what you need, and I
Y'all, like, what are the odds that they'll play Whitney Houston? It's something that I can actually understand. They could have played anything. Like, I love Whitney Houston. My whole family does. So that was just such a good way to end this trip. It was amazing. Oh my gosh, the trip of a lifetime. If you guys have any questions or want to know any details or specifics about anything that I didn't mention in these videos, feel free to hit me up. But thanks for watching my Dubai series, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Mwah!